Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best underground metal detector. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The 2025’s TC500 Underground Metal Detector is a powerful and precise tool built for both amateur and professional treasure hunters. Its high sensitivity and advanced sensor system make it ideal for locating gold nuggets, coins, relics, and other valuable metals hidden beneath the surface. Whether you're exploring your backyard, a mountain trail, a beach shoreline, or an open field, the TC500 ensures an exciting and efficient search experience. Product features: advanced sensor technology. Detects a wide range of metals, including gold, silver, and relics, even when deeply buried or embedded in objects. Adjustable balance control allows users to fine-tune the detector for various soil types and mineralized environments, reducing false signals. Distance indication provides a clear signal response that helps estimate the distance to the detected metal object. Gold detection capability. Specially calibrated to locate natural gold bars, sedimentary sands rich in gold, and gold mixed with other minerals. Multi-environment use, suitable for detecting metals in diverse terrains, backyards, beaches, mountains, and open fields. Audio feedback system produces different sound ranges to help users distinguish between pure metals and mineralized ore. Pros: high sensitivity and accuracy, detects even small gold nuggets and coins buried deep underground. Versatile application, works efficiently across multiple terrains and environmental conditions. User-friendly calibration, easy to adjust for mineral-rich or rocky soils, reducing interference and false positives. Clear audio cues. The sound differentiation helps users identify metal types more effectively. Excellent for hobbyists and professionals, offers a balance of simplicity and precision for all experience levels. Cons: learning curve. Beginners may need time to understand sound variations and calibration settings. Limited display information. Some users might prefer a digital display with depth or type indicators. Battery dependent. Continuous use may require frequent battery replacement, especially in field conditions. Less effective in extremely wet or salty conditions, performance can slightly drop in areas with high moisture or salt concentration. Final thoughts. The 2025’s TC500 Underground Metal Detector is an excellent choice for those passionate about uncovering hidden treasures and natural gold deposits. With its combination of sensitivity, balance adjustment, and smart signal detection, it offers a rewarding metal detecting experience. Despite a few minor limitations, the TC500 stands out as a reliable and effective tool for both new and experienced treasure hunters. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.